fantastic.
Okay.
Enjoy, enjoy.
Let me try one.
Well, you're Dutch, so you should.
Of course.
Mm.
Of course. See?
Oh yeah, you use them as like
smell,
chopsticks.
Oh, so fresh.
It's good.
All right,
Yeah, it's good.
all right.
The taste is very soft. It's not too.
It's tender, not
heavy.
overcooked,
Yes.
not too tough.
Not too tough. And
It's
fast.
so easy and it's so.
Yes.
And then this is the way to pick it up.
Yes, that's the way you pick it up.
This, yeah.
Eat it like this.
Lekker.
Today we're going to make mussels. My outdoor burner. Get some garlic in there. Cooking them outside, well, if it's not raining, it's more fun. Whoa. Put in some celery, some onions. Let those flavors come together. Nice and hot. Maybe even steam them for a little bit. Put that cover back on, that lid back on. I had these mussels in the fridge for a couple of days and I thought I would cook them. I thought I would cook them up outside with my boat neighbors here. So I'm gonna try and get this open. And the package is so airtight. Oh yeah, there was a big hiss. I don't know if you heard it. Those flavors incorporate into the oil. That oil will go into the mussel meat. Tastes good. Starting to turn brown now, so I'm going to add some wine. A cup or two, maybe a little bit more, some of it. Now we wait, and they're gonna work their magic. There we go. Ta-da! Now we just wait. They're done when they open up. And it takes a few minutes, maybe 5 total. Doesn't take too long. It's nice when it's not windy. Use these cookers outside. When it's too windy, you definitely lose BTUs. Days like today, all that heat from the flame goes right into the pan, but when it's windy, you can totally see that flame kind of flaming out. If you're cooking in a boat, boat's a relatively small space. Cook garlic, you cook meat, you cook mussels, even vegetables, anything, curry, your boat is going to smell like that for a little while. You like to cook outside and you're willing to cook outside, especially if you have a covered back deck or something. I think these outdoor camp bistros are great. What do they say? A watched pot never boils. So here I am, by the way, over here in the Netherlands, a place called Haarlem. Not Haarlem, New York, but Haarlem, Netherlands. Yeah, there you go. I'm on the quayside here. Some beautiful boats over here. Especially this one that we're going to look at tomorrow. I can see the wine is definitely boiling. The contents here are getting warm. You don't want to open the lid because if you do, then the steam will escape and you have to start all over again. This does have a little steam hole, which I don't know why it has that, but I wish it didn't. But I guess you have to let some steam out, right? Because otherwise it could boil over, right? So yeah. Let's see. I don't see any of these guys opening yet. I wish this one had more BTUs. It just means it's going to take longer. Yep, they're opening up. It's a good drink. All right, I think we're there. Put them out and then wish me luck. Hope I don't burn myself here. These are pretty warm. Should give me some protection. Ooh. Here we go. Oops, oops, oops. Casualty. Here we are. Mussels. I cannot see. What do you think? So there you go.